morning, guys. Today's day 4. We are going to meet with my tío, or my uncle, on my dad's side, Tío Richard. He's actually the dad of Gonzalo that we met last night. Have some lunch, catch up, meet Gonzalo's daughter, Cantu. Last time I saw her, she was like 4 years old. She's 10 now, so it's gonna be very, very fun and interesting to see her again, see the family. Later tonight, we leave for Cusco. We have a plane to go to Cusco and then a train and a bus. Yeah, see where this adventure takes us, guys. All right, guys, get dressed with me. Boohoo Man, cargo pants, Columbia belt here. Nice Banana Republic black crew-neck shirt. Of course, the piece that makes it all. Giorgio Di Mar. Got some Air Max, what are these, 27s? For our accessories, we already have this on, never take it off. Turned 1. My grandma on my dad's side actually gave this to me. Mama Carmen. We've got our Alexander watch here. For the family, best comes out. Silver bracelet here with Roman numerals on them. Accessory ring here, design on there. Some glasses from Portugal. Alright guys, ready to go. The dad is taking all the luggage to the spot to leave, and we are going to explore around Miraflores, get some views in, maybe see a park or two, whatever the world has to bring for us. Let's go check it out.
Hey, what's up? I'm a rock.
That looks just like what you would wear, Julian, if you were like a superhero or something.
We might as well be in Hungary because I'm very hungry.
What if I ate it?
Julian! What the hell, bro?
Oh shit.
Nosotros estamos a Panchita y ahí está Milena, mi tío Richard.
El joven tío Richard.
The young man is here, yes. My uncle and his wife, and we're waiting on Gonzalo and Cantu. Jasmine is here, she's being quiet like usual. No habla español, no quiere hablar. And Julian over here thinks he speaks very good Spanish. We're testing it out. My dad tried to ask Milena who was better in their prime, me or him. I don't know what to say. Don't go against the lion. Don't go against the Leo, right, Jasmine?
Right.
Hello
Mi primo y Cantu. Very, very beautiful. She's shy. She's very shy. So, but we're all here now. We're getting some drinks.
We're getting drinks and Peruvian food.
Yeah. So, and she's vibing over here by herself. It's convinced me to get the beef heart.
The beef heart. Anticucho.
Anticucho.
Peruvian anticucho.
So we're gonna try beef heart today and see what it is. Puppy doesn't think I'm gonna like it. The beef heart? We'll see. Cheers. Happy birthday. Cheers. Jasmine birthday. Happy birthday. Cheers.
Right. How much? 19? 3 days. She was like 5, I think. Like her. No, smaller.
You should film it in the moment. I always do things or make jokes.
It's not
and he
fake,
laughs his
though.
ass. That, do it again, do it again. No, man, I'm not gonna do that.
But it's real.
Because it's the same shit you are doing the same shit. So he's recording it now.
Okay, Dan, no, man. I said to the guy, hey, dude, you wanna come to lunch with us? Change the flip-flops.
Tell him to change the flip-flops, Jasmine. Whatever this is crack. You cannot beat the bread here. You cannot beat. Look at that. What? Woo!
I told you.
Okay, so Johan trying Peruvian cow heart anticucho. Yeah, let's go. Let's see the reaction. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, approves. Approve? Johan approves anticucho.
This guy just fed me the spiciest pepper.
I just gave him Peruvian ají. Peruvian red ají.
It burns. It burns.
Yeah, that's half spicy.
Okay.
No way.
Really good. You see? Blood, man.
No way.
Peruvian gringo trying ceviche.
Buenísimo. Wow. He's gonna try tiger milk.
Great.
Great.
Yeah, man, you see?
Insane.
You wanna try it?
Okay. All right, let's see.
Okay, baby, open your mouth.
I agree.
Muy bueno.
What's the pepper thing I call?
Lime. Very lime forward.
The red one? So do you think Johan will be a success?
Yeah, of course. 3,400 kilometers?
Yeah, yes.
3,400 kilometers. We will be above altitude tomorrow or tonight. They said don't drink too much. I'm okay.
Dude, I dare you. Okay, you have to run maybe 50 meters in Cusco.
Okay.
And
And
50
then
push-ups.
Talk to me, okay?
All right. We'll see how I do. We'll run 50 meters and we'll do some push-ups and I'll record it, okay?
Okay.
All right, we'll see.
Okay.
What? Look at me.
That's me.
Oh, wow.
It's my face, her face, and
Wow.
her niece's face.
Oh yeah. She's Muffer.
Respect.
You can paint it somewhere else.
He's talking about tattoos. We're gonna get a tattoo here in Cusco, maybe. We'll see.
You make your own decisions, man. Don't involve Jasmine.
We're going by the saying of Kim Kardashian. It's like putting a bumper sticker on a Porsche.
Yikes.
Oh, you're going sideways. You're going sideways.
No, he's not.
What? Cantu.
Wait, she does it too?
Oh my god.
Hi.
Do it, try. There you go. Oh my god.
Look, Johan. Can you do this? Can you Malena Candela? It's el Matrix. Let me try.
Fits.
Oh man.
Tendra?
Ah man, I'm too thin.
Oh,
Yeah.
trying your dick.
It doesn't fit either.
That's ambiguous. That's ambiguous.
Naval Army. Yeah. And they gave him the worst shift in the night. So his first night, quiet, and then all of a sudden, you know, the radio. Hello, hello. SOS. SOS. We are thinking. We are thinking. Hello? Hello? Yes. U.S. Naval here. What are you saying? Hello? We are thinking. We are thinking. What are you thinking about?
It's so stupid. It's so stupid. It's so stupid.
Si no lloran, no mames.
I'm gonna be as spoiled as I can now, okay?
Buenísimo. San Miguel. Vámonos. We are entering the neighborhood of
Baranga San Miguel.
our family. I've spent more summers than I can remember in this neighborhood, and nostalgia is massive. The neighborhood, fam. This is Mama Nettie's house. She passed away recently and was not able to say goodbye. Mama Carmen's house, unfortunately, we sold a while back, and that's where I spent most of my summers here between the ages of 4 to 12. We're gonna go see the local neighborhood park here. In Peru, they embrace parks, they embrace nature like nowhere else I've ever seen. There's a park almost every corner. It's beautiful.
This is where I used to play soccer right here, man.
Yup.
Played football, and then I went to one of my friends' houses and played like Xbox.
This is it, man. This is the spot. Lots of feelings coming up right now, so.
He lived across the street. I lived across the street, and I go to the window and I see Johan in the other window in front of the house, in the other house, naked, and he started, "Look, Gonzalo!" He started peeing outside like a crazy
Peeing out the
little
second
boy.
floor window. No way, at 7?
Yeah.
I am just as surprised as you guys, okay? I was a crazy kid, okay? ADHD was going crazy at that time.
Yep, this is where Gonzalo used to live here.
I remember playing Xbox right there.
Yeah, we played there with my brother. He's
Yeah,
now
your brother.
like him.
You guys play Grand Theft Auto?
Yeah.
Oh my
I think we
god.
played there. That's the window
And-
where you pee.
I played.
And this is Mama Carmen's house here.
I planted that tree.
No way. Wow.
How much wood could a woodchuck chuck wood?
How much wood could a woodchucker chuck if a woodchucker could chuck wood?
How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much wood could a woodchucker chuck if a woodchucker could chuck a wood?
How much wood could what is it called?
How much wood could a woodchucker chuck if a woodchucker could chuck wood?
How much wood could a woodchuck chuck?
How much wood could a woodchucker chuck if a woodchucker could chuck wood?
The response is a woodchuck could chuck as much wood as a woodchuck could chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
I am the very model of a modern major general.
I am the very model of modern
Major general.
major general. I am the major.
I am the very model of a modern major general.
Mama Nettie's house.
This is an olive of 500 years old.
500?
500 years old.
This is giant.
Wow. I gotta see what this turns into, man.
This one is gonna be the best table I'm gonna do. 1,300. And I can sell it at maybe 20,000.
Wow.
Hit him up, guys. If you're in Peru and you need something, this is your guy right here.
This one is, I think, 200 years old.
Wow. So what do you use? You fill the holes with resin?
Yeah.
Or you fill it with resin?
Yeah.
Resin tables. You guys need a cutting board? You know who to contact.
Zero. I made it from zero.
Wow. Beautiful, the woodwork. Look at that. Wow. Kitchen. This is the typical kitchen here. And the workshop.
Esta mesa también la hice completita yo.
Wow. This is a beautiful workshop, man. This is a beautiful workshop. Wow. Look at this. You build in the sunlight. It's closed off now. We had a door here and it would open up into a courtyard, and we had a shared space with the other house on the other side, Mama Carmen's house.
Night stand, right?
Wow, 2 different types of handles. Oh wow. It's a happy face, man. That's a happy nightstand right there.
You're not happy? You put like this.
Thor's hammer. Whoa.
Pretend you can't pick it up.
You can go on the street with that. That's for yes. When you go out.
Everyone hold it.
Paris,
Everyone hold it.
Bring this in your purse.
Very light.
Oh my god. Jasmine's turn. Easy, nothing. Yup.
Yeah.
Captain America.
But now he has an axe.
Wait, can't do what? How? Let me see. Oh! I got to hold it. I'm worthy.
Es que acá, weón.
Es por la humedad.
Yeah.
Hoy es el día que yo he de cambiar aquella vieja droga que me está consumiendo. Y si no es así, yo.
La familia es loco,
Te quiero, por favor. Sí. Me des un buen tiempo. No ves que yo estoy intentándolo.
Sacred Owl, may we enter up the stairs, please?
If he doesn't say anything, means yes.
Okay, perfect. Let's go.
We're going up to the roof.
Woo! Memories, man. Memories. Yup. Neighborhood. The park over there.
Time passes.
Man, this is where we would fuck around. Gonzalo, me, my cousin,
Enzo.
Enzo.
Used to trap Enzo in the garage.
Yeah, exactly that. Yeah. For memory, these little rooms are for the maids to live on the roof, and they had tin roofs. And me and Enzo climb on top. I was jumping like crazy because, ADHD, me, and Enzo was a little scared, and I kept jumping up like a crazy kid, and I fell right through the tin roof, and it wasn't a maid room at the time, it was a storage room. Yeah. And I landed in an upside down chair. The legs like this, and right in the middle of the legs I landed. It was insane.
If you landed in one of
Just 1 centimeter to the side, my ass would have been ripped. Just sitting there like, I don't know what happened. But yeah, we got into some crazy shit up here. I just broke the handle to the storage room trying to close it.
That's how strong you are.
I'm too strong. I'm sorry, Theo Richard.
The avocado tree used to be here, and I guess for the workshop they chopped it down. I'm so sad. And Mama Carmen's house is there.
She passed away 5-6 years ago now. Of course, I keep her with me always. Well,
probably we won't see.
It's time to say goodbye. We are leaving for the airport to go to Cusco. So hopefully we see each other again before we leave.
Yeah, before you leave, we'll see each other, and then
Encanto.
probably next year.
What happened? Love you guys.
He needs to come again.
I'm coming again. Bye, Milena. Come here. I love you.
Love you.
Te amo mucho. BAIC. Bike. But the car that we're in is apparently a bike.
13,000 bucks, man, dollars.
13,000?
Yeah.
You guys gotta see this car.
Yeah, I can make a call.
It's Mercedes motor
On my radio.
bike.
Yeah, Mercedes motor.
There are no lines. This is how the traffic is here. Yeah. You're gonna come in?
Se llaman esteras. ¿Qué sabe? Así son. Have fun.
I love you.
I love you too, man.
Love you, man.
Oye, esta, pues, abrázame. He's my hot.
Probably won't see him for who knows how long. And
Oye, dale un abrazo a tu tío, man. Dale un abrazo.
Boarding.
Falling asleep.
Two jackets because it's 50 degrees outside. So
What's up? This is Cry Your Fear, limited space right here.
bless you.
Thank you.
So this is la sierra. This is the highlight.
it's MTV Cribs back at it again. Welcome to the Red Carpet Airbnb here at Cusco. Living spaces here. Going to the kitchen here. Very nice, cozy kitchen. Even the refrigerator is tiny. That is really bad. All the results are great. Nice little cooking situation here. We've got living space here. Upstairs is the bedrooms.
Some bedrooms. This is the noses, the Inca noses, bro.
Let me guess. It's not the.
Yeah, Inca noses right there.
Oh, it's not even card.
My TV in the corner. 3-bedroom little spot.
Crazy. Like we're in a horror game right now, bro.
Yeah, this one opens all the way. I call this bed right here. Call it. This bed right here. Oh, we're doing some fun stuff out here for sure. Oh yeah, these things are so hard.
Ah, you broke.
I did not. I didn't. I did not hit her. I didn't. This side I think is a better view for sure. I guess this is the master. Very nice. Master bathroom. What do we have? See another little room is open. Oh, it's a balcony. Let's go.
This is the
Now we're
cryosphere, man. This is cryosphere scenery right here, bro.
Now we're These are called boy duties, John. Jasmine is snoring. No! You're done now, bro. I know where you are.
Stop it.
Yeah, I do not untie my laces. I just shove my foot into the shoe and then shove it out.
Footlong Subway.
Now imagine if it said flying pig costume.
This here is a puzzle that I took apart, and you have to put it together. We're at about 5 minutes, and I just had him start a timer here. Good job, Julian.
Thank you.
You work better not on pressure.
Yeah.
I work better under pressure.